On the 12th of March 2021, Cricut announced changes to Design Space in their blog. Cricut state that soon we will be making changes that affect members who use the free Design Space app without a Cricut Access plan. Every calendar month, these members will be allowed to upload up to 20 personal images and/or patterns. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the most of your 20 uploads per calendar month on Cricut Design Space. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you will need is software that makes SVG files. Today I'm going to use Inkscape because it's well known, easy to use, and best of all free. Go to Google and type in Inkscape. Click on to get into the website and then click on the download button and current version. Now here you have a couple options. If you're a Windows user, click on the Windows button, and if you are a Mac user, click on the Mac button. The process is pretty much the same, whichever one you have, but I'm working on a Mac today, so I'm going to choose Mac OS. Once you click this button, the download should start automatically. After it downloads, just double click on the file. And once that's done, you should get this screen here. Click on the Inkscape icon and drag it over to the Applications folder. That will now start downloading and installing in your Applications folder. Once that's complete, click on the search icon and type in Inkscape. Then you can double click on the app. Go to the little bar down the bottom and you'll see Inkscape is jumping, which means it is loading. Click open and then it will come up on your computer. The next step is we have to make an artboard big enough to upload to Cricut Design Space. Now Cricut Design Space have a limit of how big your canvas can be or your SVG can be, and that is 11.5 inches by 23.5 inches. So we're going to replicate that size into the Inkscape canvas. So go to File, Document Properties, and in here under Custom Size, change the units to inches and the width to 11.5 inches and the height to 23.5 inches. Then click the X button to close off and now you'll see the canvas has changed. Next, you need to make a new folder, and I've called mine Design Space SVGs, and in this folder you're just going to add any SVG files that you want to upload to Design Space. You don't need any other file in here apart from just the single SVGs that you would like to upload. You can then start to add them to your canvas. You can do what I'm doing, and that is just simply clicking and dragging. Select the first option, which is include SVG image as editable objects in the current file, and then click OK. And then you can just go through this step and add the SVGs onto the canvas. So for this step, you could do it a few different ways. You could pull in the SVG at the original size, or you could pull in the SVGs and make them smaller, and that way you'll be able to fit more SVGs on the canvas size. If you are going to make them smaller, make sure you click on the little lock button to keep the aspect ratio as you make them smaller. Once you are happy and have all the SVGs that you would like to add onto one canvas, you can then go ahead and save as an SVG. To do that, go to File, Save As, select your destination and rename the file to anything you like. I'm going to type Group 1. Then click Save. Now head over to Cricut Design Space. Click on Upload and Upload Image. Find the SVG you've created and click Open. You can rename this file to anything you like. I also recommend adding tags so you can easily find SVGs at a later date. Then click Upload. And now just upload it to your canvas and you have all the SVGs you've just created in Design Space. Right click and ungroup to remove each single set. Now later on down the track, if you want to find a leaf SVG or a sunflower SVG that you remember that you uploaded, you can go to images and under ownership click on uploaded. And you will find the set that you uploaded or whatever you uploaded to Cricut Design Space will be showing here. You can also do a search and you can type in leaf, for instance, and anything that you've uploaded that has a leaf in it that you've tagged will show. You can also do another one, let's say for sunflower, and that will come up also. So that is how you can make the most of your 20 uploads per calendar month on Design Space if you do not want to purchase the Cricut Access Plan. I hope this video has helped you. Please give it a like if it has, and I will see you guys in the next video.